If you're watching this on YouTube and you have a question, comment, suggestion, or maybe you just want to find out more information about the product, you can find the link below. Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from FreeGameMan.com and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Func KB-460 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Most Func products come in these white boxes. It looks very clean. This one has a picture of the product on the front as well as another picture on the back, plus features and specifications about it. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. It's packaged very well between two pieces of quality styrofoam and cardboard on the top and the bottom, so everything stays in place here when it's in shipment. Included is a user's manual as well as a little note where you can download the software at func.net. And these are two clips for attaching the palm rest. Here's the keyboard, which is in this plastic bag. It is very heavyweight and solid looking. And this, which I believe is a palm rest. And yes, the palm rest gets attached to the front. I'll show you that a little later on. Now let's first go over the specifications and then I'll have a closer look at it. This keyboard is a mechanical keyboard and it comes with Cherry MX red linear switches. And these switches are good up to 50 million strokes per key. So it's going to last forever. And that's what these mechanical keyboards are all about. It's about performance, but also about longevity. They'll last a very, very, very long time. Also, the key design is cylindrical. The actuation force is 45 Gs. The responsiveness is 2 millimeters. And what that means is you've got around 2 millimeters of travel until it engages. It comes with anti-ghost, so full in-key rollover, as well as being completely backlit. Each key is individually lit up, as well as 128 KB of onboard memory. There are two USB 2 ports here at the back right, and you've got a nice long braided cable. It's 1.8 meters in length that comes with a gold-plated USB-N. Now this keyboard measures in at 440 by 198 by 33 millimeters and weighs 1,245 grams. And with the palm rest installed, it really transforms the overall appearance of the keyboard. I think it makes it look beefier. Also, the coating that is on the keyboard as well as the palm rest is the same. It is this rubberized, smooth coating that is so nice to the touch, which resists dust and fingerprints. Now, this is a full-size keyboard with a number pad. It is Windows 8 compatible with a Windows key here, a function key, as well as multimedia keys at the top. Like, for example, you can mute, increase or decrease the volume, play, pause, skip forward, back, as well as 5 different profile keys. And a Func key along with a Func LED. And this Func mode activates reassigned keys and disables the Windows key and full N key rollover anti-ghosting for a gaming-friendly environment. Got 2 LEDs to the left, the number lock and caps lock LED. Here is their logo, which you can hardly see. And this is nice because I don't know about you, but I don't really like products that have in-your-face branding. Now, the overall styling and build quality on this keyboard is exceptional. They've done a fantastic job all the way around, on the top, on the sides, on the back, on the bottom, everywhere. This is a quality keyboard. Let's have a look here at the back. They've also got a couple of flip-up feet. This is great. I prefer the keyboard tilted actually, but some don't, so you can have it flat if you want to, or you can have it at an angle. And at the ends of these little feet, they have rubber, also 2 pieces of rubber here. And there are 3 more rubber feet on the palm rest if you choose to use it. So once you have this keyboard on your desk, it's not going to go anywhere. And of course, that is super important, especially if you are gaming. You don't want your keyboard sliding all over your desk. Now, there are 4 levels of brightness. Off, like it is now. You can use the function key and the increase brightness key to increase the brightness all the way up, or you can decrease it all the way back. You can also set the keyboard to increase the brightness and decrease it automatically like it's doing now. You can see it's all the way off, it will increase it gradually all the way up, and then it will dim all the way down again. Now their software, which you'll need to download from their website at func.net or func.net, is pretty simple overall, but it does give you the different profile functionality as well as assigning different macros to the keys that you want. Let's say, for example, that you want to assign M1 to the F1 key. Click on M1, you can see it is flashing, then click on F1, and then it will change this basically to the macro 1 key. Let's, for example, say you want this key to copy text, and voila, it is done. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard, I would really keep this one at the top of your list because it looks fantastic. The build quality is excellent. It is pretty compact without the palm rest, but you do have that palm rest option. And the keys are really not that loud. Of course, this is a mechanical keyboard, so it's not going to be as quiet as some of the other non-mechanical keyboards that are out there. But if you're looking for longevity, go with a mechanical keyboard. Certainly, if you're into gaming, this is the way to go. Overall, this is a 100% kick-ass product. Until next time, take care. How do you think this product stacks up? To vote, head on over to 3dgameman.com, and while you're there, check out the pricing.